So I know it's taken me a while to get this video out, and I apologize for that, but I really hope you guys enjoy this video, because this one is really meaningful for me, and really special for me. What a weekend, dude. Enjoy the video. Now that's a pretty cool sight. Happy Friday morning. We are headed to Ennis. Let's go racing, boys. First, we had to make a stop for Mr. Austin.
I need some Buc-ee's.
He's been dying for this place. When was the last time you had it?
I'm pretty sure the day we moved from Texas.
Oh, right, when you left.
In the parking lot over there for 4.5 hours waiting on U-Haul to come change the tire.
Nice. Good afternoon from Ennis, Texas, here at the Texas Motorplex for the Stampede of Speed. We have a lot of race cars here. We've got Mr. Boston's Fiat Fuel Altered. We've got the Big Show Funny Car, and we have my car. And today is Scott Palmer's Nitro Sideshow, just like we did last year. And due to a family emergency, Marbles had to go home, and I am responsible for being the gas bottle guy. So Austin just went through with me and taught me how to run the gas bottle, because I'm going to be starting the two of these cars today when Dad's driving, and that guy tomorrow when we get to run it. So it's going to be a fun weekend. Alright, what are we doing real quick, Austin, before we start it?
I'm just going around double checking stuff. I gotta try to have the right wrench. There's going to be 2 different wrenches for the car.
Gotcha.
Just basically getting pockets full of stuff ready to go.
Yeah. Are there M&Ms in any of those pockets?
No, my name's not McKailen.
I've got M&Ms in my pockets.
To the W&Ws.
I thought you were Johnny this weekend, so you've probably got some Cheez-Its in your pocket.
See what I got in the cabinet. Here we go.
Well, this is weird. I am back in the funny car, towing it up to the line. Dad wants me in here since I'm driving this weekend, so he doesn't want, he wants me to be able to remember steering it and just being good with everything in here. So I'm towing it up to the line and back from the pits again, so this is kind of cool. Sorry I stole your job, Tyler. Alright, we are up here in the lanes with the Fool's Errand. Got a great backdrop for this first run. I'm gonna take a picture of that. I've got a couple of door cars in between us, and then we're the first pair of Nitro cars. Dad's getting suited up and about ready to go. Let's do this. Alright, rolling up under the tower. It's about time to go. Ready, boys?
Ready!
Ready, Dad? Love you. Hey, don't hurt my car. He gave me the, you said, what? Look. Check this out. This is cool.
Here comes the crackhead. Ty Crux.
Alright, we're up here on the line with the Altered, ready to go. It's only been mildly stressful.
Attention.
I can't believe he sent it when it was leaking fuel like that.
I can't believe he ran over my foot.
Ran you over. I
can't believe it's not butter.
That burnout was awesome.
That burnout was rad. I couldn't see anything. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh!
I looked and I was like, that's a little more fuel than I think I'm
that's a gallon.
with. And I was like, and it's, you know.
That was coming out of the fuel rail?
I think it was coming from where that
I wasn't,
drag was.
like, if it was okay, I would have sent it, but that was a lot.
I know, I was like, I don't know about this one. He goes, no, we're going.
We're sending it.
Yeah,
okay.
He gets the...
Yeah, you were leaking a lot.
I saw it. What the guy wanted to see his car make a run. I shut it off.
That was sick! Dude, that Alright, they're pulling the bell housing out of the nostalgia car right now. It's not ideal when you've got chunks like that coming out of the bottom of it. Especially not that big one. So, not ideal for anything.
Yeah, not this one, because it's...
So we just put the blower here on the funny car a minute ago. Well, Freebird was playing. And after, Austin was like, you know, some days I love my job. There's nothing more American than putting a blower on a Nitro funny car during the Freebird guitar solo. So that's gonna live in my mind rent-free for the rest of the year. What'd you just say, Tyler, about not the elevator?
Next time we put the blower on, it doesn't matter what's going on, you gotta tell everybody shut up. We put on Freebird on the speaker. Nobody talks. We just put it on, jam out for a second, turn it off, go back to our regularly programmed scheduling.
It was. I just walked out of the trailer to... And I was like, yep, America.
America.
This is us. America.
We're American.
It has to happen.
Nice glasses, nerd.
We're in Texas, it has to happen.
Yeah.
There's no excuse.
There's literally a Texas right there.
What are we, communists?
No. We are headed up to the line. Today's Saturday. Kind of just been working today and hanging out with my friends. And then after this run, we're gonna go check out the concerts and stuff. But gotta go fast first, so pulling up to the lanes.
That wasn't an 8.
Alright, time for a little bit of an update of what has happened in the past 24 hours. Baller run with the funny car. That was so freaking cool. It was our second fastest ever 8th mile time, which lots of fun there. And it wasn't turned up at all. It was just, you gotta get down there, you gotta make a show. And we definitely made a show. It was really cool starting the car too. Yeah, it was a lot of fun. Then after that, we got the car torn down and cleaned up, and I just went and hung out with my friends who were here with the concert and everything. That was a lot of fun. Got a cowboy hat, and I think it looks baller. Dad also has one. Danced with a couple girls. That was fun. Today we run at 7:40 again, and today we're running for like an actual trophy. So the winner between the Top Fuel and Funny Cars shootout thing is a cool, really cool belt buckle. I don't have any pictures of it right now. I will after we win it, but yeah, we're gonna start putting this car together. I'm just sitting on the head, fixing to put it together, and Tyler's fixing to put a clutch in, and let's go racing. Hi, I'm Tom. Alright, we're up here racing Mr. Mitch King over there, and actually our old dragster. Let's do this. Let's freaking go! Yes! Yeah! Yeah! Yeah, buddy! Yeah! Hell yeah!
good
You know,
time,
you
man.
come here to Stampede to Speed, you run an HRA circuit, you go to these races all year long, but what feels different about this event?
You know what? It's cool to be out here with all these country fans when they're trying to get more fans into drag racing. It's cool to let you guys see something. We're blessed to do all this. We live in the greatest place in the world. We get to play with cars, see beautiful girls. Can't ask for more than this.
You can't ask for more than this, he says. You know, you get behind the wheel of that thing, you know, 12,000 horsepower. You're running some of the craziest cars that I've ever seen, you know, the industry I come from. I don't know how you guys do it. Y'all think we're crazy getting on bulls and horses and stuff like that, but to step behind the wheel of a car like that runs down the track, and you've been so consistent. We talk about the consistency. How do you do that week after week going from city to city?
You know, what the rest of everybody out here doesn't know is we're not a highly funded team. My guys work and put a lot of heart into this. And we're really, I mean, we've worked so hard to be consistent this year. We're not as fast as everybody else, but we're there when they screw up. And they screw up a lot.
You know what they say, consistency kills every time when it comes to competition. And tonight, my friend, Mr. Terry Haddock, we hand you the championship belt for the Texas Invitational right here at the Texas Motorplex. Ronald, hand it off to my man. Ladies and gentlemen, Texas Invitational champion, Mr. Terry Haddock. As you saw him go down the racetrack with the fabulous Texas Motorplex. Terry, any last words that you want to tell these great race fans?
Just thank you all for coming out and supporting this thing. And then come out next week and watch the races when all the stars of NHRA will be out here.
That's right. You got to get your tickets for the NHRA Texas Fall Nationals next weekend. So folks, sit tight.
Put it on.
Guess what? We're about to see country all over the Texas Motorplex with Ian Musick. He is up next.
So it's been a bit of a minute since our win there in Dallas, and looking back, editing it, because we've been overwhelmed with racing and school and work and everything. Looking back at it, it's so cool looking back on it. I'm so grateful that I have all these videos, even though it took me forever to get to them. It was so cool getting a win. We've been working so hard to improve everything, and it was just a match race, but it still means the world to all of us. And one thing that means a lot to me is I'm sad Tyler wasn't there. I'm sad Marbles wasn't there, but it was really, really special having Austin and I standing next to each other on the starting line, watching the two cars that we worked on, because that Mitch King's car that he was running was a dragster that we used to own. And like Austin said, the two cars that he spent his entire life working on. It's just so special, and I'm so glad I was able to share that with Austin. That was an incredibly special moment. He's probably sitting at home right now making fun of me, but I'm so glad that I got to share that moment with him, and it meant a ton. Other than that, the following weekend in Dallas went really well too, so hopefully I'll have that video out in the next few days, but I enjoyed that weekend so much. That's the best weekend we've ever had racing, regardless of the win, and this one means a lot, so make sure you guys enjoyed it, and never give up, dude.